private chef living in Owerri. Let us go.
Imagine working on Valentine's Day. Well, that is what I would say. Um, I'm going to be doing on this particular day, being the Valentine. So, this particular client is a returning client, and I've been cooking for her. This is like 3 years, going to 4 years of me being her private chef. So, she contacted me and she was like, Jeff Hope, please, would you be available on Valentine's Day? I would really want you to come to the house and make 5 different meals. I'm talking about fresh okra soup with obono. I'm talking about chicken breast sauce. I'm talking about stir fry pasta, gish dodo, and turkey stew. So immediately I came to her apartment. She gave me a bottle of wine that I could sip while I cook. But trust me, now I could not do that. I just had to set it aside and start prepping for my busy day. Yeah. So her cousin sister was around, and trust me, I had to beg her to help me with one or two things. But the only thing she could do was slice the plantain for me. Yeah, I told her once she's done with that, I could take over. And while she was doing that, I had to start prepping other things. I made sure that everything was available so that it will help me cook fast and I won't be too stressed or be multitasking. So imagine me coming to your house and I'm preparing all this. Like, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Chef Hope is at it again. So are you wondering or thinking that where are we located? We're located in Owerri, Imo State. But I usually don't go for private cooking, especially if you're a guy. So please, I beg you in the name of God, don't contact me. Except you want me to go and cook for your parents, I would gladly do that. Would have a what a how will I put it? Would have to talk about it. Yeah. So I started off with the cooking of my turkey. In short, I was doing a lot of things at this time because it was past 1 and I got here by some minutes to 12. So I just had to start preparing everything I want to do so that it will be easier and faster. As a chef, let me advise you before you start cooking, or as a human being that you are and you love cooking, I would really advise you that before you start cooking, you should do what? Prep everything you're going to use in cooking so that once you start cooking, it's easier and faster for you. I just have to saute my chicken breast. Guys, Chef Hope's Kitchen is just the best place for you to order your food. I no go lie for you. Imagine cooking in this kind of serene environment. The food must sweet. That one is the short thing. This my client spoils me a lot. Me cooking, she was like, take a bottle of water. Anything you want is in the fridge. Me, I don't get big eye now. I just took Vitamilk because I needed it to chill my blood and make my blood to circulate. Imagine standing for over 3 to 4 hours cooking this meal. It's not easy as a chef, I would tell you. So our okra soup with obono was ready. The protein I used for this was goat meat, fish, ice fish. I used tozo, cow skin, and stockfish. Then I finished my turkey stew. I went to start making my gish dodo. See, it's not easy. Oh, you just have to get used to it. Many people are there enjoying their Valentine. Yeah, just there they do it in the cook. Yeah, and so they make money because in this life you have to make money before love. So I just had to do it so that I can get that little cash and put it in my pocket because even me deserve some loving. That little cash I go use and go chop live later. So guys, we made pasta. Look how my pasta is looking so yummy and palatable. We started with our chicken breast. In short, I don't have strength for this voice note because I had a very long day during my Valentine. So yeah, send us a DM. You could order for your food. We have dispatch rider to bring to your doorstep. At this point, I was done. I was done. I had to clean up, arrange the kitchen because of course you have to clean the place. You won't just leave it untidy. So her sister helped me and we made sure that we're fast for me to go. At this point, I was like, okay, let me just sweep. Though I've called my cab guy to come pick me up and he was on his way. I had to tell the security man to escort me to the gate because this place na estate. You have to either call or get a card or something. So yeah, my boat guy got here and I headed straight to my friend's shop to get one or two things, and that was it for the day. So thank you guys. Bye.